Okay, now this time what I want to explain is about how to change the SIM card. In case this the SIM card I put it is a Malaysian SIM card. Actually, it has a roaming service, but I'm not sure whether it will going to work in overseas. We never tried before, so I'm not so sure. Let's say if you have a local SIM card with the internet subscription, this and that, you can put the local SIM card in there to get actually live reading from our server, or real-time reading from the internet, something like that. So you can replace the SIM card. I will show you how to replace the SIM card. Okay, Nizam, can you open the screw? Because I just screw it top there only, because down there there is no screw, because it is difficult to take it out. Just take it out this screw. Yeah. Okay. Just take it out this screw. Then you just slowly pick it up. Okay, and then you see there is a SIM tray. Okay, just open the SIM tray. Let's open this one. Okay, you see the SIM card. Okay, I think the SIM card is, maybe just press it down a little bit, it will pop up. Yeah, then you can pull it up. Okay, so this is our Malaysian SIM card. If you have an overseas SIM card which you can use, then you can put the SIM card, and then say direction is like that, and you put it back. And let's say this is the overseas SIM card. Put it back, and then cap it back. Okay, then you screw it back in the correct place. Sorry about that, because of now we are doing a night time, very difficult, a little bit hard. See, okay, ready? So okay, this is it. So let's see whether the line is okay or not. It's you can see. Can you on the power? So this is just plugged in. Okay, this one is either way you can, because this is a crocodile clip, so it doesn't matter like now Nizam is doing. Okay, never mind. It's not, yeah, any way you can, either down or either way it can be clipped. So the modem is power up, and then it will start finding for the line, and then if everything is fine, there is some the internet, the line connection will be now start looking for the line. It will take about a minute. Let me see how long it will take. Okay, so this is it. Line is up, internet is up. Okay, that's all for how to replace the SIM card. Thanks.